Hi, welcome to Java Coding Assist. In this video, the problem which we are going to see is finding the length of a fragment, that is a substring of a string that contains both the uppercase and lowercase of all the characters in the fragment. Let's see an example to understand the problem statement. Given the string S contains a string of set of characters, we have to find a substring out of this string S which contains the uppercase and lowercase of all the characters in that string. For example, consider the substring ABAAB which starts from index 2 and has a length of 5. If you see this substring, it contains both the uppercase and lowercase of all the characters in it. It contains only two characters A and B, and it contains both the uppercase and lowercase characters. The problem is that we have to find such a substring and return the length of the longest substring. We can see one more example. In the second example, the whole string satisfies the problem statement. It contains three characters totally, A, Z and B, and it contains both the uppercase characters and the lowercase characters of all these three characters. So what we are going to do is we are going to return the length of the whole substring. Let's see one more example. This example, the third example, doesn't contain any such fragment. So we are going to return -1, stating that no such fragments exist in this string. Let's see how to solve this problem. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to add the string to a queue. We are going to use a queue data structure here. We are going to repeat the following process until the queue is empty. The first thing is we have to remove the string from the queue. So we are going to remove this particular string from the queue. And we are going to loop through this queue, and we are going to go through each and every character in the string and check whether the corresponding opposite cases available in the string exist in the string. First character is A, the lowercase a. So we check whether the uppercase A exists in the string. Yes, it exists. So we are moving to the next character Z. If we check the string, the uppercase Z is not in the string, is not available in the string. As we don't find the corresponding uppercase of Z here, what we are going to do is we are going to split the string into multiple substrings based on the delimiter Z. We are going to use Z as a delimiter, and we are going to break the whole string into multiple substrings. So when we split the string on the delimiter Z, you get three substrings. You get an array of substrings, which is first string in the array is A, and the second one is A, B, A, B, and the third one is A. What we are going to do next is we have to just go through each string in the array, and if its length is greater than 1, we are just going to add it to the queue. We are just checking its length because there should be at least 2 characters in the string to check whether it has the corresponding uppercase and lowercase characters. So if the length of the string in the array is greater than 1, we just added them to the queue, and we repeat the process. We just take this string from the queue and just check, again do the same process whether it contains the uppercase and lowercase characters. So now we have added only A, B, A, the second string to the queue. Now we have to repeat the whole process. We are going to take the next string from the queue and check whether it satisfies the problem statement. Now we have taken the string S and the queue is empty. We are just going to loop through the string A, B. The first character is A and it has the corresponding lowercase a in the string. The next character is B and we have the corresponding lowercase b. Third character is lowercase a, we have the corresponding uppercase a. Fourth character is lowercase a, we have the corresponding uppercase a. And for the fifth character B, we have the corresponding uppercase b. So this particular string satisfies our problem statement, and we are going to now return the length of this substring. We are going to return this length because the queue is empty. If the queue contains some more substrings, then you have to repeat the same process and you have to return the length of the longest substring. You can find the link for this code in the description and you can just execute that code and see how the results come. Thanks for watching, and will meet you in a next problem solving tutorial. Thank you.